In this video, I'm going to quickly show you a little device that I'm hoping is going to make my audio a little better with my GoPro. Hi, I'm Jim with the Works IRL channel. It's great to have you here, because together we find out what works in real life. I use a GoPro HERO5 Black to make my videos. I like the durability of the camera. It's very rugged. I don't worry about it when I'm underneath a vehicle. If I'm out in harsh conditions, that's primarily what I like. The HERO5, HERO6, and HERO7, they do tend to have some marginal quality of the audio. The HERO5 in particular. I had bought the microphone adapter from GoPro so I could use an external microphone. I'm using an VJIM microphone. And then you've got this sort of hanging out all the time. It dangles around. It's kind of cumbersome. I'd put some Velcro tape. It's the 3M dual lock tape. Put a piece up on top of the GoPro HERO5's camera case, and I put a piece on the back of the adapter, and then I can end up attaching that on top, and it just Velcros on, and I can just pull it off as needed. But it is a bit cumbersome, and sometimes the sticky tape starts to come off the back. I use just some Amazon 3-pack of TRRS male to female right angle adapter. The thing I'm really excited about, I think is a really neat idea, is this VIJIM from B&H Photo Video, and it was, I think, $9.95, and it's just this little piece of plastic that they've molded to fit over the GoPro case. Now, I've seen entire cases that were, again, they're not very expensive, but this is, I think, fairly elegant idea. It's even got a cold shoe mount on the top. So let's slip it on and I'll show you what I mean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off that tape that I had put on the camera, as well as on the back. I'd put the dual lock on the back of the adapter as well. Now that does get kind of gummy up there, and that's kind of why I don't really want to keep using this, because it is getting kind of gummy. So I'm going to try to get some of that off there. I think this goes in like so. And it feels pretty snug going in. Kind of squeezes in there. The adapter safely inside there. And then I think it just slips over. You can see it just kind of slips over the. That's pretty slick. And then you can attach that. I think that's pretty nice. It's just a very elegant design. It seems secure, and I think it could even help you open that case, which that's even nice. It kind of gives you a handle. So then I take my adapter, my VJIM ETM001. I can put the foam over that. You can take that furry windscreen, again, that's from VJIM as well. That goes over. There you go. I think that's pretty slick. Seems like it's pretty well secured in there. Find if you have too much weight on the top of that, like that LED light, it'll flip back and then it unlocks it. So that may be one of those things that I'd have to watch for. A light microphone on top in that cold shoe. I think that'd probably be best. I use the linear mode. I'm not using the wide mode with this GoPro. If you have the microphone coming off the adapter itself like I currently do, and it's got a furry windscreen on it, I suspect in wide mode that it's going to show up in the image. But in linear mode, I think it's going to be fine. So I just wanted to share that with you because I think this could be something that works in real life. I'll see you over at the next videos, and we'll see what else works in real life.